Okay, this is a jalapeno with extremely hot sauce on it, and I'm gonna try and eat this.
No, you have to dip it in the green stuff and then lick it out. It just smells hot. Make sure you get all the hot sauce on it. That's not enough. You gotta really get in there. Get it all. Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
It's all the hot sauce on it.
Go for it.
Lick it off.
No, eat it.
Ole, ole.